Find the value of b such that log base 4 of log base 3 of log base 2 of b is 0. Holy cow. Well, this is what I'm going to do, and I don't know if this is the best way to do it, but I'm going to do it anyway. There's a little trick that's like, let's simplify this. If I were to give you something like this, just the log base 2 of b equals 0. And if you want to simplify this, you could take 2 to the of both sides. And by taking 2 to the of both sides, the 2 to the log base 2 cancels out, and you drop down the b, and in this case, 2 to the 0th power is 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work from the outside in and do that 3 times. All right? So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to 4 to the both sides. 4 to the log base 4 cancels these guys out, and now you could drop down log base 3 of log base 2 of b equals 4 to the 0th, which is 1. Let's do it again, but with 3 to the. 3 to the both sides cancels out the 3 in the log base 3, dropping down log base 2 of b equals 3 to the first power, which is 3. One more step. If I 2 to the both sides, log base 2, or 2 to the log base 2 of b cancels out those guys, and I'm left with b equals 2 to the third power. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. What a weird problem. I liked it, though.